Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Skrill Wallet. To create a new account for Skrill Wallet, launch open the Skrill application on your device and make sure that you are in the main welcome page. After you get to this page, to create a new account for Skrill Wallet, click on register. Accept all the permissions and then on the next page, select your country of residence, your currency, or you can also enter an invitation code if you have it. Go ahead and select your country from the drop-down, select your currency, and click Next. On the next page, you'll need to enter your email address in the text box. After you are done typing in a valid email, go ahead and create a password for your account. Finally, if you want to get offers from Skrill and receive marketing messages on their behalf, tap on this little square box at the bottom and click on Next. But if you don't want that, you can leave the box unchecked and tap Next. On the next page, you'll need to verify your new email. Check your email inbox for verification code. Inside your email inbox, you'll receive confirm registration email, click on it, and then here you'll receive a verification code. Simply copy that code and get back to the Skrill app and paste it in the verification code box and finally click Next at the bottom. Now on the next page, you'll need to enter your personal details such as your first name, last name, date of birth, occupation, source of wealth, and primary intent of use. Fill in all of the necessary information. After filling in all of the information correctly, you'll need to enter your address detail on the next page, and on the next page, enter a phone number. You'll then receive a verification code sent to your mobile number, which you should fill in the verification code field. Finally, after verifying your phone number, your account will be created successfully. You'll then be asked to create a PIN code to secure your wallet, and there you have it. You have successfully created a Skrill Wallet account. Right after you are done, you can then go ahead and add payment methods on your wallet, verify your account, and you'll be good to go. That's how you successfully sign up for a Skrill Wallet account. Now you can send and receive money, shop online, or even manage crypto safely and securely. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.